A man decided to sell his house to get a better one. So he went to one of his friends who happened to work as a realtor. He told him about the house. So his friend said, I am very familiar with the house. I know the interior design and the architecture of the house, and I know how beautiful the house is. Because his friend is a specialist in marketing and a realtor, he wrote him a very beautiful advertisement. The realtor provided a very detailed description of the house, talking about the spaciousness of the house and the beautiful location of the house and the beautiful interior design. He also talked about the beautiful pool in the house and the nice and spacious garden, in addition to other things. The homeowner listened attentively to the reading of the realtor of this advertisement, and he asked him to read it again to him. The realtor was surprised, and he asked him, It's your house. Don't you know the details of your house? The realtor read the advertisement again, and he was shocked when the house owner asked him not to publish the advertisement. He said, My house is not for sale. The realtor was surprised and asked him, Why don't you want to sell your house? The house owner smiled and said, I have dreamt my whole life of living in such a house, and I didn't know that I live in it until you described it. The moral lesson of the story is very simple. We have to count the blessings that we have. Just because we don't see them or we overlook them doesn't mean that we don't have blessings surrounding us from every corner of our life. So don't just look at the troubles and complaints and look at the positive side of life, like the blessing of health, the blessing of security, the blessing of family. All of these are blessings that are bestowed upon us by God that we have to appreciate. Thank you very much.